In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the iCloud activation lock on your iPhone 15 or later, specifically if your device is running iOS 18.3 or later. This process crucially only works if you're the rightful owner of the device. If you have a second-hand device, it's essential to ensure that you have proof of purchase handy, as you might be required to present it. Let's delve into the steps to regain access to your iPhone. If you've forgotten your Apple ID, the first thing you'll want to do is initiate the recovery process. This can help you retrieve your Apple ID credentials, which are essential for unlocking the iCloud activation lock. To start this process, you'll need to visit iforgot.apple.com. This is Apple's dedicated webpage for recovering your forgotten Apple ID information. Here, you'll be taken through a series of guided steps to reset your Apple ID password. Follow these instructions diligently, as regaining access to your Apple ID can potentially resolve the activation lock issue. However, if the problem persists, or if you're sure you own the device and the typical reset steps haven't worked, the next course of action is to get in touch with Apple support. Begin this by visiting support.apple.com. Once on the support site, navigate to the iPhone section and specifically look for the activation lock category. Here you'll find resources and support tailored to your situation. When you're ready to connect with Apple support, ensure you have proof of purchase available. This could mean a receipt that clearly displays the serial number or the IMEI number of the device in question. Apple support may request this information to verify that you are indeed the original owner of the iPhone. In many cases, if Apple can verify your proof of ownership, they may proceed to unlock the device for you. This verification process is not only crucial for security reasons, but also ensures that devices are not used improperly if they end up in the wrong hands. The whole process is designed to be as streamlined as possible, so with the right documents and information, you should find yourself successfully unlocking your device. Remember, keeping your Apple ID information secure and stored in a place where you can access it easily is incredibly important, as it helps prevent situations like these from arising in the first place. If you're facing ongoing issues with your Apple ID or device activation, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for assistance. They are equipped to handle a range of issues and can guide you through challenges you may encounter with your device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.